Today, I'll be giving you all the information you need to begin transforming your body into its most aesthetic possible physique, such as nutrition and diet as well as a workout plan. Follow these steps closely and you will be on your way to looking like a Greek god before you know it. You can definitely get the aesthetic body you've always wanted with the correct attitude, commitment, and training schedule. With the term aesthetic, I'm referring to having symmetrical, evenly built muscles. The truth is, bulking up and gaining as much muscle as possible isn't appealing to everyone. Some of us prefer a more toned figure that will get heads turning from all the girls and even guys. Word of warning though, an aesthetic body will come with a lot more attention from other people, so follow these next 10 steps at your own will. Towards the end, I'll reveal my #1 secret that took my aesthetics to the next level. Here's a reality check. Lasting change takes time. You're not gonna transform your whole life in a week. You gotta play the long game. Set goals that can be achieved over several months or even a year. It's all about that long-term mindset, my friends. Sometimes our fitness goals are driven by deeper emotions and insecurities. Running a marathon because you were bullied in gym class? Signing up for CrossFit because of an ex's comment? It's important to address these issues. Achieving your goals won't magically make those insecurities disappear. If you're struggling, consider talking to a mental health professional. No shame in that, believe me. I've been there. Here's the deal. Your goals should be flexible like a good stretch. It's okay to modify your goals as you progress. Maybe something that seemed tough at first is actually too much to handle or vice versa. Don't be afraid to adjust along the way. It's all about finding what works for you and keeps you motivated. However, accountability is key, fellas. You can set all the goals in the world, but if you don't hold yourself accountable, it's just wishful thinking. That's where your buddies come in. Find yourself a workout buddy or a group of friends who are also serious about crushing their fitness goals. Trust me, having someone to share the journey with makes it way more fun and motivating. Plus, you can keep each other in check and push each other to new heights. And let's not forget about rewards. When you reach a milestone or crush a goal, celebrate it. Treat yourself to something you've been craving, a cheat meal, a new pair of kicks, or a day off to chill and recover. Rewards add that extra spice to your fitness journey and motivate you to keep going. Nutrition and diet. Nutrition is crucial in getting the aesthetic, mean physique we all desire. First things first, a well-balanced diet is the name of the game, my friends. It's not just about counting calories or going on some crazy trending diet. No, no, no. You have to feed your body with the right mix of nutrients. You see, there are these 3 big players called macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. They're like the ultimate squad when it comes to body composition goals. Carbs are like the fuel that keeps your engine running. They give you the energy to crush your workouts and make those gains. But hey, not all carbs are created equal. Focus on the good stuff like whole grains, fruits, and veggies. They'll keep you full and provide essential vitamins and minerals. Skip the sugary junk though. Proteins, on the other hand, are the building blocks of those glorious muscles. You want to ensure you get enough of this stuff to support muscle growth and repair. Think lean meats like chicken and fish, eggs, and plant-based sources like beans and tofu. Spread out your protein intake throughout the day, especially before and after your workouts, to maximize those gains. Now, let's talk about fats. Yeah, I said fats. Don't freak out, guys. We need healthy fats in our lives. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil are your friends here. Just don't go overboard with the deep-fried stuff, alright? We're aiming for a balanced diet, not a heart attack. Nutrient-dense foods are packed with all the good stuff your body craves. Think of colorful fruits and veggies bursting with antioxidants, lean proteins that make your muscles happy, and whole grains that satisfy you. They're like the VIPs of the nutrition world, giving you all the benefits without the excess baggage. Now, here's the real question. Calorie surplus or deficit? It all depends on your goals. If you're looking to bulk up and gain some serious muscle, you gotta be in a calorie surplus. That means eating a bit more than your body burns. But if you want to shed some fat and reveal those hidden abs, you must be in a calorie deficit. That's when you consume fewer calories than you burn. But hey, it's not just about what you eat, but when you eat it. Fueling with protein-rich meals before and after workouts can supercharge your gains and help with muscle recovery. And remember, portion control is key. Don't go all out on that all-you-can-eat buffet unless you want to end up looking like a bloated balloon. Balance, my friends. Here's a pro tip for you. Spend a little time planning and prepping your meals in advance. That way, you'll always have healthy options in hand and you won't be tempted to hit up the drive-thru for a greasy burger. Plus, it saves you time and money. Who doesn't love that? But let's face it, boys and girls, we can't always avoid eating out. Whether grabbing a bite with a gang or taking your girl out on a date, we need to know how to make healthier choices when we're not in control of the kitchen. So here's what you can do. Scan the menu for grilled or baked options instead of deep-fried goodness. Choose salads or veggie sides to get those nutrients in, and watch out for those sneaky portion sizes. We don't want to leave the restaurant feeling like we need to be rolled out of there. This nutrition talk isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. We're all unique individuals with different metabolisms, goals, and lifestyles. So if you want to dial in your nutrition game, it's worth chatting with a registered dietitian or nutritionist. They're the gurus of food and can help you personalize your nutrition plan to meet your specific needs. They'll calculate your optimal calorie intake, recommend the right macronutrient distribution, and guide you toward making the best food choices for your body. It's important to remember that extreme efforts can come with some serious consequences. Aggressive dieting and getting super lean may lead to hormonal imbalances, loss of lean muscle mass, and even psychological issues like body dysmorphia. And it can actually hamper your performance instead of boosting it. So let's not sacrifice our health and strength on the altar of shredded abs, okay? It's all about finding that sweet spot where you look good, feel good, and perform like a boss. The time has come, guys. It's finally time to hit the gym and start busting out some weights. That's where the magic happens. Training is all about building muscle and sculpting your body to perfection. We're talking biceps that pop like nobody's business, pecs that make heads turn, and a six-pack that could cut through steel. Who needs a superhero cape when you are a man of steel? Workout plans by muscle group. When it comes to aesthetics, muscle hypertrophy is the name of the game. Building those muscles to epic proportions is what we're after. Yeah, we'll throw in some strength training here and there, but the focus is on making those muscles grow like crazy. Compound movements and isolation exercises are gonna be your bread and butter, my dudes. They target those specific muscle groups and give you the chiseled look you've always wanted. You gotta focus on what needs work and what muscles you want to prioritize. Maybe your biceps are lagging behind or your chest needs a boost. Whatever it is, give those muscles some extra love and attention with specific isolation movements. But hey, don't forget about the rest of your body. Balance is important, so even if you're looking good all around, switch up your muscle optimization every few weeks for optimal growth. Let's dish about specific muscle groups, shall we? Legs, my friends, they're like the foundation of your physique. Sure, genetics plays a role, but that doesn't mean you should skip leg day. Focus on exercises like front squats, Bulgarian split squats, good mornings, and leg extensions and curls. And for the love of aesthetics, don't forget about those calf muscles. A well-developed set of calves can make a world of difference in your overall stature. Now, let's move on to the back. The key to that wide and powerful look. Your upper back and lats are gonna be the stars of the show. Think rack pulls, chin-ups, pull-ups, lat pull-downs, dumbbell rows, swimmer, face pulls, and reverse flies. These exercises will sculpt your back and create that V-shaped silhouette that makes heads turn. Chest. This is what people see when they look at you. You want a chest that screams power and masculinity. Forget the bench press for a moment and focus on exercises like incline dumbbell press, dips, close grip push-ups, chest flies, and dumbbell pullovers. Get that upper and lower chest working in harmony, and you'll be the envy of every dude at the beach. Shoulders. They're like the cherry on top of your upper torso. Strong, well-defined shoulders complete the package. Start with some overhead pressing movements like standing neutral grip dumbbell press and Arnold press. Then add in some isolation work like lateral raises and front raises to sculpt those delts to perfection. Now, let's give some love to the arms. Biceps and triceps, they're the finishing touch. It's not just about size, it's about proportions. You want them to complement each other and work together seamlessly. Rows, chin-ups, dips, and close grip push-ups will hit those arms along with other exercises. But hey, let's not forget the classic isolations like preacher curls. Grab those dumbbells and let your biceps feel the burn. And if you really want to kick it up a notch, try some rope hammer curls or go for those intense bicep 21s. Trust me, your arms will be bulging in all the right places. And we can't leave out the triceps, my friends. Get ready for some skull crushers that'll have your triceps screaming for mercy. Throw in some tricep kickbacks and watch those muscles start to pop. And if you want to be on the top of your game, consider your core as well. If you want that six-pack that'll make heads spin, it's time to get serious about your core workouts. The ab rollout is your holy grail. It activates every inch of your core like nothing else. Other exercises to spice things up include the incline reverse crunch, wood chopper, and V-ups. Don't skip those ab sessions, guys. Take this knowledge and start your journey towards that aesthetic physique. Remember, results don't happen overnight. Patience and consistency are the secret ingredients for long-term success. The thing is, if you're struggling with getting your abs to show, then you've probably heard of Arnold's classic line, "Abs are made in the kitchen." Click this video here where I'll reveal 10 foods that will guarantee fat loss and have that six-pack showing before you know it.